Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to run successful Google Ads campaign. So head over first to ads.google.com and then you should be able to see this. Head over and click on the start now right here wherein you can log in or sign up to the Google Ads that they have. So for this case, let's just wait for this to finish the loading process in order to show that our campaign. So in here you can select your first campaign or you can create it. So you can put in here a search themes as well that you want to use. So for example, let's put in here fresh, which can be a fresh search theme. And then in here you can put in here your location as well as the languages. Click on next right here. And then once you've done that, you should be able to get the next one. So from in there you can create the ads. For example, put in here the headline. For example, get free gift from us. And then in here, you can also put in here another headline if you want to as well. So I'll head over and then just choose in here. So you can add a lot of headline if you want, but there's gonna be 3 required. Now in here, you can see these long headlines as well as description for this case. Now in here, you can see this description. Now in here, just see in here the store name, so you can head over and then change that if you want. Now from in there, just try to scroll down and you can add in here an image that you can choose from. So you can actually choose stock images or asset libraries that you have from in there and save that and use it. Now in here you can also add logos that you have for your actual phone. Now let me head over and upload from my computer right here. Now as you can see, this will upload this particular right here and then click on save, and then from in there just scroll down and then just do everything that they have right here. Now this will load in order to send you to the next thing. Now you can change in here your listing group as well as the final URL that you want to send people into, as well as headlines, long headlines, and everything. And in here you can add images, headlines, video description. And you can also see in here a preview on the search bar, Gmail, as well as YouTube, display, and discover. So once you're done with everything, just head over and click on next in order to reach and put in here your bid strategy, budget, and payment details. So that's the whole process. If you have any questions, comment them down below and I'll try my best to answer. Thanks!